Following on from the inverse proportion question, here's a slightly more difficult one where y is inversely proportional to x cubed and y is 2 when x is 2. Find an expression for y in terms of x. Set it out again. Y is proportional to k over x cubed this time. That's not right, is it? Y is proportional to 1 over x cubed. Then we put our proportionality constant, change it to an equal sign. Y equals k over x cubed. Put in our values. Y is 2 and x is 2. 2 equals k over 2 cubed. And we can work out what k is now. Well, 2 cubed is 8. So removing a divide by 8, I need to multiply by 8. On this side, 2 times 8 is 16, is equal to k. So our equation becomes y equals 16 over x cubed. There's our expression for y in terms of x. Let's calculate y when x is minus 4. So y equals 16 over minus 4 cubed. Well, 4 cubed is 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 again, 64. If we've got a minus, minus times a minus makes a plus, times by a minus then turns it back to a minus. So it'll be 16 over minus 64. How many 16s are in 64? It simplifies quite nicely. 1 over minus 4, or minus a quarter. And calculate x when y equals 0.016. So y is that value, so 0.016 is equal to 16 over x cubed. Right, I've got x on the bottom of a fraction here, which is not much good for us. In fact, that should be, and that is okay, x cubed. I need to bring that to the top of the fraction, so I have to do that by multiplying by x cubed. Multiply by x cubed there, and it comes over here. And now remove that times by 0.016 by dividing. So x cubed equals 16 divided by 0.016. And if you just look from there, quick way of doing these type of equations, they've just swapped places. That's a quick way of doing it. So how can I solve this? Well, I'm dividing by a nasty decimal here. Fortunately, they're both 16, which should help us. But if I times this number by 1,000, times the denominator there by 1,000, I get 16. Move the decimal place 3 times for timesing by 1,000. 1, 2, 3. And I times the top by 1,000, 16,000. So, how many 16s in 16,000? There are 1,000. So x cubed is 1,000. I then need to work out the cube root of 1,000, which is 10. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. There you are.